Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Sunday, August 11th. Following isolated strong to severe thunderstorms yesterday, we'll get a quiet and dry weather returning today under the increasing influence of high pressure. But beyond that, we're focusing on our next system arriving tonight into Monday with another round of some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Keyboards we're going to focus on today, again following that exiting system over the Continental Divide, we're looking at a weak ridge of high pressure today, return to quiet, dry conditions, mostly sunny skies outside of some areas of wildfire smoke remaining in place, which should be a beautiful Sunday out there. Our next system will arrive for early next week with shower and thunderstorm chances each day, primarily Monday through Wednesday. That'll lead to some improvements to smoke and bring in some cooler temperatures midweek as things begin to turn drier, surrounding around that Thursday time frame as some isolated mountain showers and thunderstorms persist. And a quick look at satellite for you this morning. Just a couple isolated rumbles of thunder and showers departing into Wyoming this morning, but other than that, mostly clear skies, high pressure prevailing over the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies. And a look at the bigger picture for you wise. So here's that low departing northeast this morning. Overall, you can see that dry edge of air beginning to filter in from the Pacific. That'll keep things dry throughout the day today. But taking a quick look to our northwest, there's our next system currently off the coast of British Columbia. That'll continue to work southeast over the next couple of days, working into our area tonight into tomorrow. And with that, tapping into this plume of moisture that's going to be building into our area over the next couple of days, sporting those shower and thunderstorm chances. And here's a look at your weather risk outlook for today. Again, outside of some wildfire smoke, it's going to be a beautiful Sunday out there. No concerns weather-wise. We'll start to see some isolated showers and storms building in late tonight into tomorrow, increasing in coverage by the afternoon hours. And for Tuesday, looking like the best coverage of storms region-wide, scattered showers and storms with some cooler temperatures. And for Wednesday, isolated to scattered chances will persist, but decreasing in coverage and shifting towards the northern and eastern mountains for your Thursday. And here's a look at that 7-day rainfall forecast across the lower 48. Overall, you can see pretty dry conditions in Nevada, southwest Idaho, but especially as you get across eastern Idaho, it's where we're expecting that more monsoon moisture axis to set up, so heaviest precipitation is expected kind of east of I-15, generally into the Wyoming, Utah, Nevada border regions, but other than that, mostly dry conditions to our southwest. And before I take a look at temperatures for you today, let's take a look at smoke. So overall, we are seeing degraded air quality out there this morning. Some wildfire smoke settling in from yesterday's system. But overall, as that system begins to pull away and southwest flow prevails, you'll see a couple larger wildfires currently in place over western Idaho, still leading to some pretty smoky and hazy conditions up there in Custer and Lemhi counties. But for the most of us, we'll continue to see improvement later today into tonight. And during those overnight hours, really good improvement as that southwest flow brings in some clear and much less smoke concentrations building in for Monday. Overall, just keeping an eye on a couple of those more regional fires up in western Idaho, but other than that, should be mostly clear heading into Monday. And for today, it's going to be pretty cool behind yesterday's cold front. 30s, 40s, and 50s to start things off for your Sunday. Warmest areas in the low 60s. With afternoon highs, comfortable in the mid 70s to low to mid 90s. And take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook today and tonight. Expecting things to stay mostly dry today. Can't rule out an isolated shower or two in the mountains, but overall, best chances will be returning after sunset tonight into Monday morning. HRF probability of thunder highlights that well. Again, best chances for some overnight convection will be east of I-15, especially down towards the Great Basin today into tonight. But overall for our area, staying mostly dry today. Just some isolated chances for tonight. Heading into Monday, a little bit warmer than what we saw, 40s, 50s, and 60s to start off the work week. With afternoon highs, 70s, 80s to low 90s, little change from Sunday. Storm Prediction Center outlook does highlight the majority of our entire area for Monday, just from that isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms chances, so be keeping an eye on that for Monday. But heading into Tuesday, seasonal temperatures in the morning, 30s, 40s, 50s to start things off, warmest areas in the 60s. With afternoon highs, much cooler. We're looking at 70s, low 80s for your Tuesday as that system works directly overhead. So overall, cloud cover, cooler temperatures. As that Pacific system moves onshore, looking like cooler temperatures will continue midweek. Not seeing a whole lot of change there. And Storm Prediction Center outlook day 3. This would be for Tuesday. Overall, just some isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms. But again, highlighting that drying trend across the southwest part of the state down into Nevada. Not expecting a whole lot of precipitation there over the next couple of days. But we're keeping a focus, especially in our northern and eastern areas, for those best chances. Heading into Wednesday, a little change there. 30s, 40s, and 50s to start things off for your Wednesday. With afternoon highs just about where they were on Tuesday in the 70s to low to mid 80s. And for Thursday, you guessed it, 30s, 40s, and 50s to start things off for Thursday, with afternoon highs in the 70s to mid to upper 80s, pushing low 90s around the Treasure Magic Valley. That'll be kind of a result of that system pulling away northeast, helping to warm things up just by a few degrees, but overall staying pretty comfortable for mid to late August. And look at what's to come. So 6 to 10 day period, we are going to be tracking those cooler temperatures midweek, but overall trending at least slightly above normal in that August 16th through 20th time frame as a semi-active regime continues across the northern Rockies, with some slight chances for leaning above normal when it comes to precipitation. 8 to 14 shows little change there with temperatures. Looks like we'll keep things at least near normal to above normal through the 18th through 24th time frame, and normal this time of year is generally going to be in those upper 70s to mid to upper 80s, lower 90s around the Magic Valley, but overall just staying around there or warmer in the 8 to 14, with little change in that precipitation outlook, still keeping things above normal here in the Rockies and Pacific Northwest. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Sunday and stay safe out there.